Hello everyone, I'm David Hunter from Hunter Geophysics, and today I'm going to show you how to upgrade or update your copy of GPR-SLICE. If you were a previous user, the method of updating has changed ever so slightly. It's more or less the same, but it has changed slightly, so just watch on. So every month, at the start of the month, there will be an email sent to you with it's basically just a notification saying that there's an email, updates have been applied to GPR-SLICE. There's a download link in the first paragraph and in the second one there. And there's also a change log down the bottom, which describes basically what's happened over the last few months. This link doesn't change at all. So if you ever need to update the software in the middle of the month, that's fine. You can just use that same link. So you might want to star or flag this email when it arrives, because that link is what you'll need if you need to update in the future. So all you have to do to get the update is simply click on that link in the email, and it will start to download the zip file for you. Okay, so now that that's done, it will automatically open the zip file for you in Windows Explorer, and there's inside that folder, or inside the zip file, there is an installation instructions file, which is just explaining what I'm about to go through now for you, so you don't really need that at all. And there's, in this case, there's two other files. Now, you may actually get more than two files in future updates, so just be aware that you need to get all of the files in this folder, except for the install instructions.txt file. So I've just gone Control-A on the keyboard to select all, and then I've Control and left-clicked on the mouse on the install instructions to deselect that file, and then I'm going to use Control-C on the keyboard to copy the two files that are there, and then we're going to go to the GPR-SLICE directory wherever you've got it installed. Typically that's in C drive, and then in the slice folder, and then inside the version 7.0 folder, sorry, v7.0 folder. And you need to paste these files into this folder here. So as long as it's alongside where GPR-SLICE v7.exe and your license.dat files are, then you're in the right spot. So we're just going to click anywhere in that white space, press the Control-V on the keyboard, and press the Replace Files button. That will replace the old files with the new ones from the update. And then when you can then double-click the GPR-SLICE v7.exe file to open it, or you can, in my case, I've set up a shortcut down there, so I'll just click on that one there. Now, when that happens, because you've just updated the software, Microsoft, when Windows detects that it's a different program, and it comes up with this error message. So all you need to do is click on the More Info button in the upper left corner, and that will allow you to override this warning, and then you just click on the Run Anyway button, and GPR-SLICE will load. And that's it. That's all there is to it. By the way, in future, when you open GPR-SLICE in future, for this same particular update, it won't actually have that problem. So if I reopen it again, as I'm doing now, you won't notice that error message. So that's alright, that's not a problem, that's normal. But in future, if you do update the software, each time you update it, you will receive that same security warning. That's just built into Windows, that's nothing that we can control, unfortunately. But so that's how you update GPR-SLICE.